Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Red Hulk from the new Captain America movie. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Red Hulk, let's begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here, and I want to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and we'll come back in like a check mark. And we'll do the same thing here, just go down and then come back in like a check mark. Next, I'm going to make a little oval shape underneath each check mark for the actual eye. Then I'm going to curve these back. And I'm going to make a little bump inside of here. Next, we'll go up and down, and then up and down. I'll make two little lines that come down for the nose. Then I'll curve this out, and I'll curve this out. And we'll come down to a point. For the mouth, we're going to go up, down, and then back up and down. Next, we're going to go down, over, and then up. Next, we're going to make some teeth right across here. And then we're going to make some teeth right across the bottom. Then we're going to curve this line down and then out on each side. We're going to go down and in, and down and in. I want to make a little line underneath the eyes. Next, right here, I'm going to bring this down and in, and then down and in. Then we're going to leave some space. We're going to go down for the chin, curve around, and then come up. Then we're going to go down at an angle and then back to kind of shape out the jaw. We'll curve this in just a tiny bit. Then we'll go up a little bit. We'll bring this down and then over to here for the hair. And I'll add some little lines in here. Right here, we're going to make an oval shape on each side for the ears. We'll also make a little squiggle inside of here. We'll also make a couple little lines right here. For the hair, we're going to start at the top of the ear, and we're going to bring these lines up to a point. Then we're going to bring some more up. Then we'll bring just some more kind of squiggles right around here. And we can make some more little lines coming from the top and from the bottom here, just to give it a little bit more of like a hair texture detail. Next, right here, I'm going to curve a line that's going to come around here for the chest. And then we're going to curve another line that's going to come up here for part of the chest. I'll make a line here and a line here. And I'm going to make a couple little lines right here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to curve a line to here. Then I'm going to curve a line for the back. And we'll make another line come out here. I'm going to bring this around to kind of show where the shoulder is. Then we're going to start here and we're going to bring this up for part of the arm. And then we're going to curve this around for the bicep, and we'll just connect that to here. We'll come up for the elbow and then bring this over. I'm going to bring this right to here. Then I'm going to come up, over, and then down. And we left that space there, so we're going to make one and then two little lines for the knuckles. And then I'm going to curve this line to here and bring it around. And we'll bring this and we'll make a little line here for part of the finger. I'll connect this. And then we're going to bring this line to here. Now, starting right here, I'm gonna make his hand. It's gonna be really close, like it's punching. So we're gonna make this really big. So I'm gonna start here, and I'm gonna make a line that's just gonna come down. It's gonna go around and then up to here. We're gonna make another one that's gonna go around to here. Make a little line in between there. Make one that's gonna go down in here. And then one that's going to come down here. We're going to go out and in a little bit. And we're going to curl this for a knuckle. Make another knuckle here. And then one here. We'll kind of shape these out just a tiny bit. Then right here I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. Kind of come out and then over to here for the thumb. And we'll kind of connect this in. We'll make a couple little lines here. And then we're just going to bring this line around here for the thumb. Or the thumbnail, I should say. And then let's add some quick little lines here, kind of where his knuckles are going to be. And even do a couple here. Next, I'm going to bring a line over to here and then over to here. And then we're going to make some little kind of broken lines here. And a little line across. Next, I'm going to bring a line up to here and a line to here. And we'll connect this. Now, let's kind of finish off the body. So we're going to bring a line that's going to go down and up, and another one that's going to go down and then over to here. We'll connect this and connect that. A couple little broken lines here. We'll make another line that's going to come down and then over to here. And then we're going to make some broken lines just to kind of show some detail on the stomach and a line down. A couple lines here and here. Connect a line here. And then right here I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down and around. And I'm going to connect it to here. And then we're going to connect this over. We'll curve this line for part of the leg. And then for the foot, we're just going to make a little bump here, and we're just going to curl around where the toes would be. Then I'm going to make kind of like a jagged broken line where like his pants are ripped. Make a line around here. And another little line or two in here. And a couple little lines here show where the muscles are. Make another line around here for the pants, and then a little line right here for some detail. And then a couple little lines there. Now, just for a little bit of detail in here, we can add a couple lines right around the neck. Some little broken lines by the chest and the arms. And then a couple more kind of broken lines right around here, just for some detail. And even a couple little lines on the face. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Red Hulk. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.